Hello everyone, I am Purnika and welcome back to Sai Meda Coaching Center Koti Hyderabad and Space Engineering Academy. In this video, we are going to see about the job notification of Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited. And this is the recruitment of Assistant Manager or Manager Signaling and Telecommunication. So as it is mentioned here, telecommunication. So this is a great opportunity for all the EC students. So the name of the post is Assistant Manager and the number of posts are 7 and the location is in Mumbai. The age limit for unfixed term contractual engagement, the age limit minimum is 18 and maximum is 40 years. On post-retirement contractual engagement, minimum is 55 years and maximum is 62 years. For Assistant Manager, on post-recruitment contractual engagement, the candidate should have varied experience in the signaling and telecommunication department and should be working in any government organization or PSU or Indian Railways or metros. And for Assistant Manager, which is a fixed term contractual engagement basis, the candidate should have post-qualification experience in the signaling and telecommunication department and should be working in government organization, PSU or metro or private organization. And the reservation will be announced as per the GOI rule. The experience for the manager should be a minimum of 5 years post-qualification and should have an annual CTC of rupees 8 lakh or above. And for Assistant Manager, the experience is only 1 year and you should have an annual CTC of rupees 6 lakhs or above in the field of signaling and telecommunication. The job location is applied to you on the posting. The manager pay scale is from 60,000 to 1,80,000 and the assistant manager pay scale is from 50,000 to 1,60,000 per month. The consolidated salary in Mumbai for a manager it is 97,320 per month and for assistant manager it is 81,100. And the screening process is personal interview and medical fitness test. So to access this PDF, please to subscribe to our Telegram channel which is Space Engineering Academy, in which this PDF containing all the information, application process and instructions will be posted. For more such job notification, do subscribe to our channel, like our video and share with your friends and family. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in our comment section. Thank you.